Untitled Program. We will hold, we invite the project head for this entire program, AA Ready School, our general convener, Manla ma'am, to say a few words, give a welcome address. Manla ma'am, please.
Yeah. Good evening and a warm welcome to all the enthusiastic participants on behalf of CEIR Global Trust and AI for Youth by Intel. As rightly said by Harriet Tubman, every great dream begins with a dreamer. Always remember, you have within you the strength, the patience, the passion to reach the stars to change the world. Your very participation in this workshop proves that all of you are keen to learn the new concept of AI and introduce it in your respective schools, and also to know how it is going to be useful to the students in the future. This particular workshop will be conducted by Ms. Mehreen, a passionate AI teacher at Delhi Public School, Bangalore East. She has been actively associated with CBSE Intel AI program since its inception in 2009, and children under her had made a lot of projects which were presented at Delhi CBSE office in front of the Government of India officials. She was recently awarded with the top 1 position in the International AI Global Impact Shaper Award. She is also a part of CBSE Intel AI Teachers Training Program. With this brief introduction, I would request Ms. Mehreen to take over the session. Over to you, Mehreen.
Yeah, ma'am, sorry to, no, ma'am, I have some little connectivity issues. Ma'am, meanwhile, you can explain how it was actually implemented in your school, how it was benefited.
Perfect. I'll do that.
And the premium membership also you can see.
Yes. In fact, artificial intelligence was introduced under NEP also. It speaks a lot about vocational courses or skilled courses. And artificial intelligence is the one which was taken a lead because the jobs that are going to be open for the students whom we are teaching now are all AI based. Okay. And generally we say at the current scenario or the current moment, seeing the situations, we do not know what kind of jobs that will be available for the students, but based on the development that happens in the field of AI, we feel most of the jobs are based on AI. So that is the reason we are introducing this subject in our school. And CBSE and also NEP says that you need to introduce right from standard 6 as one of the subjects, apart from the 6 subjects, maybe 2 periods in a week if you can introduce, or once in 2 weeks if you introduce, give them the basics of AI, children will start developing interest in that. Once you have gone through this program in 2 hours, Ms. Mehreen will show you how to access that, and you will also get a certificate. So don't leave the course in between. Make sure you sit in a place and complete in 2 hours. Those are quick at the computer will be able to finish in 1.5 hours also. Okay. So once you finish, you get the badge, you get the certificate, 2 certificates, 2 badges you will be getting. Then you have to make every member in the school undergo this training and get certificate. That means children from standard 4 to 12 if you have in your school, plus all the teachers, right from your principal, vice principal, if the management is open to learn. And then you have to take your admin staff, you have to take your support staff as well, because the script is there even in Kannada. It is there for people who are visually impaired as well. So you can use the various ways how you can reach out to the people to teach this particular topic. So please make use of this and teach to the entire staff. And once it is done, you can inform Intel that your school is AI ready and all the people have undergone this training. Then you get a certificate from Intel saying that AI ready school, which is which can add to your profile of the school. You can display in your notice board, your Facebook page, or you can website and so on. So everybody who looks into your social media channel knows that you are an AI ready school, and definitely children who are keen to learn this will be a part of your school. I think Mehreen has come on screen now. Meherin, you are muted. Please unmute yourself and
Yes,
take
ma'am.
over the session, because I don't want to lose on the time, because you need to finish the course for the
Ma'am, the
teachers.
premium
Yes,
membership
ma'am.
also you can mention.
Ma'am, am I audible? I'm audible?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay, great.
So
Thank you so
said
much, ma'am.
something?
Yeah, the premium membership also you can say.
Yeah, now we have been doing a lot of workshop under CEIR. I don't remember the exact number, but of course our screen did not function, some technical error now. But we are continuing our workshops as well, but we thought we will have some premium membership, which is a very, very minimal level. So all of you will be getting the circular, and it is like, one session is rupees 10 rupees. It is like that. One workshop, if you attend for 1 hour, it worth is 10 rupees. So we are charging for the entire year. So please be part of this, because a lot of resource persons from various fields or eminent speakers are brought by CER on the platform to give you the best, so that you can improvise your capacity as well your schools as well as teachers' capacity. So you can make one of the best school, and you can look forward for the best learning outcome in your children by learning whatever is taught in the screen. So thank you so much for being a part of today's workshop. And Meherin, you can take it over.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. I'll just share my presentation and then we will start.
Meherin ma'am, with your permission, I have a small announcement.
Yeah.
Like, you must have received a link, the Zoom link with the write-up. There you can find the Facebook link, because WhatsApp, we have some limitations. For any updated informations and all, please join the Facebook group also. Thank you.
Yes, sir. I will share in the chat box.
Yeah.
So everybody can join that.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So you stop sharing, then I will share, sir.
Yeah, done. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. A very good evening, dear principals and teachers. I am Meherin Shamim, and I welcome you all to this online workshop on AI for All, a program driven by CBSE, Ministry of Education, Government of India, in collaboration with Intel India. So let's start the workshop. First, I'll take you through the progress in AI at my school, Delhi Public School, Bangalore East, followed by an introduction to artificial intelligence, how this program, AI for All, is aligned with India's national strategy and NEP. Then I will help you all understand how to develop individual school action plan to make your schools AI ready. Then we'll start with the process of registering for the self-learning modules. So it all began in March 2019 when CBSE introduced AI in the school curriculum in collaboration with Intel India. Under this pilot program named AI for All, AI for Youth, selected students got trained and made some amazing AI-enabled projects, some of which are patent pending. The projects made by students were showcased twice in Delhi. The then Honorable HRD Minister, Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal, CBSE Chairperson, Ms. Anita Karwal, senior government officials, principals, and teachers were all present in these occasions. I got the opportunity to train 250 teachers under CBSE Intel AI Integrated Multidisciplinary Pedagogies Teachers Training Program. I also got the opportunity to review the CBSE Grade 10 AI textbook. So these were some of the social impact projects made by our students, like AI Autism Assistant, Cyber Detective, AI HR Assistant, AI Medic, Smart Food Planner, AI DigiShoot, AI Reading Assistant, and there are many. The details about the same teachers you can find in the CBSE website. I'll take you to the previous slide. In http www.cbseacademic.nic.in/ai.html. So all project details are given there. Then I was recently the winner in the AI Impact Shapers Award in Intel's AI Global Impact Festival 2021. Other recipients were from South Korea, Poland, and Singapore. So this is what we have done so far in our school, and we plan to build on it. So coming to the second part of the agenda about understanding artificial intelligence. So let's understand artificial intelligence. So teachers, what comes to your mind when you hear the term artificial intelligence? You can use the chat box to write your answers. Google, yes. What else comes to your mind when you hear the term make machines think? Absolutely. Alexa, yes, very correct. Robots, machine which mimic human brain. Robots coding, okay. Yes, robots. Absolutely. So all this comes to our mind when we hear the term artificial intelligence. So yeah. So over here, it is because, you know, and why we all are here? Why we all are here to, you know about artificial intelligence? Why all of us are being trained on artificial intelligence? It is because artificial intelligence is the driving force that will lead the future generations. Self-driving cars, widespread automation, robotic gadgets will become an integral part of day-to-day life of the human race. Trade, work, profession, employment will see a massive transformation. Therefore, fast adaptability is crucial so that we can handle the future tools with care and intellectual pride. Therefore, our understanding of artificial intelligence becomes crucial today. And we as teachers are going to lead students. We are like torch bearers for them. So unless and until our understanding is not in place, how will we be able to help our students? So moving to the next slide, AI is considered as the fourth industrial revolution after steam power in 1760s, electricity mass production in 1880s, digital computing automation in 1970s, and today we have the cyber physical systems like robotics, automation, sensors, etc. And AI is getting integrated with this and giving us a more satisfying experience. So now we will demystify artificial intelligence. And for that matter, let's first understand what is human intelligence. So humans are considered to be an intelligent species. So teachers, tell me what comes to your mind, you know, or tell me what makes humans intelligent. So you can use the chat box to write your answers. What makes humans intelligent? Decision making, very correct. Senses, yes. Think innovative, absolutely. Thinking power, make things work, absolutely. Analytics, absolutely. So yeah, so all this comes to our mind, you know, when we think about humans, human intelligence. So to define intelligence, intelligence is a very broad term. It doesn't have only one type of trait or characteristic in it, but it is an amalgamation of many such traits which gives us the meaning of intelligence. Move to the next slide. Yeah, so if you see, all these things makes human intelligent. They are able to do logical reasoning. They are able to learn. They have their learning ability in them, understanding ability, problem solving skills, decision making skills. They can do critical thinking. So this all traits makes humans intelligent. So now coming to understanding what is artificial intelligence. So when we see this term artificial intelligence, artificial means something that is not natural, something which is man-made or created by man. And intelligence, as we discussed in the previous slides, is the ability to interpret, recognize, make predictions, and so on. Therefore, artificial intelligence is the ability of a machine to mimic human intelligence or human traits, that is, make decisions, predict the future, learn, and improve on its own. So moving to the next slide, here, if you see machines that possess the ability to learn from experience without explicit programming, which means that it doesn't require any other intervention or any manual effort, but perform doing tasks by itself in order to perform the cognitive functions which we normally associate with humans, is said to have artificial intelligence. This AI is much beyond the basic cyber physical systems we normally come across today, like robotics, automation, sensors. AI is beyond all these domains. It is a level higher. So since AI is an emerging and an evolving technology, a lot of research and development is going on this field. Researchers, scientists, engineers are working hand in hand to enable our machines with the 5 human senses of sight, smell, hear, taste, and feel, so that machines are able to perform all those tasks in addition to what AI machines are doing today. So now, if you see on your screen, we very often come across the 3 terms: artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Let us understand what are these 3 terms. So when we talk about artificial intelligence, or AI for short, it refers to any technique that enables computer to mimic human intelligence. In easy language, I would say an umbrella term that which talks about when machine starts mimicking or imitating all those work or tasks which are normally associated with humans. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that helps make a machine intelligent by training the machine with data. And deep learning is again a subset of machine learning, and this model works with huge data sets. Nowadays, we keep hearing one term, big data. So they are huge data sets. So when we have huge data sets, normally these deep learning models are used. Its architecture is based on the working of the human brain. They are also called neural networks, which learn from vast amount of data that is fed into it. They are more efficient, advanced, and fast in processing. So let's understand artificial intelligence in points. When any machine is able to mimic human intelligence, it means that it can start solving real-world problems, to improve on its own from its past experience. In the same way, we humans learn from our failure, we get better. Likewise, when machines are able to predict and make decisions by themselves, we say machine has become artificially intelligent, or it has gained some intelligence. And how does this happen? It happens just the way we humans learn, how we learn with experience and become better. Same is the case with artificial intelligent machines. A machine which needs to work intelligently is fed with data. Lots and lots of data is put into the model, and the machine tries to understand it. Once it understands the data, it develops its own algorithm for the same, which finally makes the machine intelligent. Not only this, a machine continuously learns from its own experiences as it is used. Whenever we instruct a machine that it has given a wrong output, it learns from it, from the feedback given to the machine, and it ensures that the same does not happen again. So this is how machine gains intelligence. Now, let us understand AI around us. So if you see, nowadays, we are knowingly, unknowingly working with AI. All these applications which you see on the screen, they all have the AI models running behind. So Swiggy, YouTube, Flipkart, Amazon, Lenskart, Arogya Setu, Siri, Google Assistant, Cortana, Alexa, Facebook, Google Map, etc. All these applications use AI models at the back end, which provides us a more satisfying treatment by using our data, which we provide while using these apps. So if at all you are ordering food at a particular time every day, and you don't order a particular day, you will get an alert, you will get a notification that, are you not hungry? Don't you want to order food? So it's like an assistant kind of helping us, reminding us that we have forgotten to do something, so we must do that. So it's like that. It's giving us a more, you can say, customized, satisfying experience when we are working with these apps. Likewise, if you take YouTube, you take Netflix, whatever videos, whatever music you have been listening so far, your taste, your likes, on the basis of that, more of the recommendations are given. So it's all because of artificial intelligence. These applications use AI models at the back end, which is taking your data. The same thing when you are clicking, that is all like data. It is getting analyzed. And on the basis of that, the recommendation is given to you. So, and now, if you see, the recent use of AI is in this pandemic, in the development of vaccine. So as normally it takes a lot of time to develop vaccines, almost a decade or so, it is because of AI that research and development of COVID vaccine was so fast. And almost all of us have got our shots also. So that was all about artificial intelligence in a brief, because you will be taking your self-learning modules shortly. So you will be knowing more about artificial intelligence in the self-learning modules. So coming to the third part of the agenda, here I will be orienting you on AI for All program. And let us watch a video. This program, AI for All, was launched by our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, on July 29th, 2021. So I will play this video for all of you, and you will understand what we have.
Please mute all first. Please mute all. Marilyn ma'am, you can unmute now. You can unmute from your end.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
please carry on. Sorry,
done.
Please carry on.
Yeah, so is the sound there,
No,
sir?
audio is not there. Audio is not there, ma'am.
Audio is not there?
Just we can hear you.
Press it once again.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Artificial intelligence is the fuel for the new world. India's AI strategy is built on the philosophy of AI for all. It identifies AI to gain inclusive growth and develop population-scale solutions for societal needs. National Education Policy released in 2020 by Ministry of Education, Government of India, further reaffirms the importance of AI skills for making India truly AI ready. To accelerate the pace of digital readiness and help build a digital-first mindset in all the citizens, Ministry of Education, Central Board of Secondary Education and Intel India bring to you AI for All. This is a self-learning online program designed to raise public awareness about AI and demystify it for people from all walks of life. A student, a stay-at-home parent, a professional in any field, or a senior citizen. The program can be completed in 4 hours, is available in 11 Indian languages and can be accessed by visually impaired. Register for AI for All and help make India AI ready.
Just a minute, I'm moving to my next slide. I will just again share my PPT. Just a second. It got hanged, it seems. Just a minute. So yes, so this AI for All program is basically curated by Intel and was launched in collaboration with CBSE. And this is an initiative with the purpose to create that mindset to sensitize people about artificial intelligence, because in times to come, we all will be working with artificial intelligence in some way or the other, and especially our students, when they basically enter the workforce, they will have to work with the tools which will be AI enabled. So it's very crucial at this point in time to get this skill. And all of us basically, have to go ahead and understand this technology. So this particular AI for All program is an international program. In abroad, it is run with the name Intel AI for Citizens, but in India, the name is AI for All. And I will tell you why, because it comes under NEP. Initiative is for all, and it aims to make general public aware of the AI applications they interact with and the thought process behind these technologies, basically to democratize artificial intelligence for everyone. So India's AI national strategy, if you see India's own national strategy for AI by Niti Aayog, is built on the philosophy of AI for all. The approach is to leverage technologies towards inclusive growth and develop population scale AI solutions for societal needs and making AI, India AI ready. So if you see here, National Education Policy 2020 references, it emphasizes on preparing students for an AI-driven economy, making education more experiential and future-oriented, and building crucial skills such as data analysis, computational thinking, and so on. So new technologies involving AI, machine learning, etc., will not just change what students learn in the classroom, but how they learn. So now we will go ahead. First, I will quickly make you understand about the self-learning module here, and will let you know about how to make your school AI ready, because recently we have also made our school AI ready, and I will just give you that information as well. So right now, self-learning module, it's a self-paced content with inbuilt questionnaires. So when you register yourself and when you start taking this, you can keep reading, and very interactive quizzes, activities will keep coming your way, which you have to keep answering. And this course can be easily completed within an hour, though it is written 2 to 4 hours. Teachers, can you please mute yourselves? Thank you so much. So it can be completed in a very short time, and it can be taken any number of times in future also. Here, each section includes images and interactive activities with a short and easy quiz. Success.
Mary ma'am, once again you unmute. Yeah.
Yes, I have unmuted, sir. So successful completion of each section gives user, that means all of you, a downloadable digital badge and certificate. Content is compatible with talkback applications to make it completely accessible for visually impaired, and the program is available in 11 Indian languages. So about the program, so we have two modules here. One is AI Aware and one is AI Appreciate. So in AI Aware, just now what I told you in brief about artificial intelligence is all covered. So you can understand it by reading by yourself. So it describes what AI is, and you get to know what it can do, become aware of present day applications of artificial intelligence, debunk some misconceptions around artificial intelligence. So all those things are covered here in the first module. In the second module, AI Appreciate, understand the key domains of artificial intelligence, impact of AI across industries, get started with a personal plan to explore AI. So if you want to go ahead more into application development, and so far you want to know more about this technology, then you can likewise plan about your strategy. So once you complete the modules, you will be given these certificates and badges. It will be downloadable from your login only. I will explain you how to go about it. So because I also completed, so these are my certificates here. You can see on the screen. So likewise, you will be getting one certificate for AI Aware, one for AI Appreciate. And let's now, so teachers, once you are done with this particular self-learning module, AI Aware and AI Appreciate, then you can take it forward in your school. Make all your students from standard 4th to 12th to take this course, and you will see this course doesn't require any technical knowledge. It is very self-explanatory. It can easily be taken by students of class 4th also. Little hand-holding is required for small children of class 4th, but I would say 7th onwards, rather 6th onwards, students are able to take this course by themselves. If you just provide them the link, you tell them in one of the computer classes how to go about registration process, every child will be able to finish this. So it can be done that way. So how we can make our school AI ready is basically making all children from 4th to 12th to take this self-learning module, and they can take at their own pace. No need to hurry. They can complete it in how much time they want. It is like that. And making your teachers do this course, all administrative staff to complete this course, even the principal and the vice principals have to take this course. So once this course is done in the school, on the school's letterhead, the principal will have to send a letter. The format I will be sending you. Once you start the process, I will get in touch with you. By tomorrow, I will be sending one Google form that would speak about individual schools' action plan. So schools can make one teacher as a nodal person who can be the point of contact and can connect with me, and I can just let them know the next step. So once you complete 100% coverage in your school, you just need to have a letter. The letter's format also I will be sending once the school starts completing this AI for all program in their respective schools. And then the letter will be sent to Intel. Intel will then send a plaque, a recognition letter, and a certificate, AI ready plaque, AI ready certificate, and an AI ready recognition letter. So that is how we have taken forward in our school at Delhi Public School, Bangalore East. We are the first to become an AI ready school. Our certificates, plaque, everything is on the way, and we have been sent. We have received the letter saying that our school is AI ready. So, but how do we go about this? All the certificates have to be taken from the students. Once the students complete their course, they can download their certificates, and the certificates has to be sent to the teacher. So now I will tell you very easily how we accomplished this in our school. First of all, I trained all my teachers. Now those were the subject teachers, also were the computer teachers also. To make it easy, we told computer teachers to do this session in their respective classes. So once they did, with them, they explained how to go about the registration process and so on and so forth. All students were able to complete at their pace. Once they completed, we told the class teachers, because otherwise all the responsibility will come on computer teachers. So we shared the responsibility. So we told the class teachers to basically collect the certificates from the students. So if the student is sending AI Appreciate, that is also okay, because that is the last certificate. You only get AI Appreciate once you get the AI Aware certificate. So AI Appreciate, the child can send to the class teacher, and class teacher can make a folder and can save it there. Now, however the teacher wants to do, maybe making a Google Drive, we did what? We made a Google Drive. So all the certificates came, say, for example, it is 7th A, grade 7 A section. So the class teacher collected all the certificates and had put it in the Google Drive. So for that purpose, at least in the Google Drive, she has all the certificates. Now, the nodal person, whoever the computer teacher has been made in charge of this, can make one Google, what you can say, drive, wherein all school certificates can be put in one place. So now these teachers were said that now that folder, you can just put it in the folder, the main folder, or the main Google Drive, which was made by the computer teacher, so that at one place, all these certificates gets accumulated. So administrative staff certificates. So for them, what we did, we floated a Google form. So Google form has that feature wherein they can upload their certificates also. So teachers, administrative staff, after completing in their by themselves, they just downloaded their certificates and they uploaded in the Google form. So once they did it, we easily could get all the teachers and the administrative staff's certificates. Coming to children, teachers and the computer teachers, tried to complete that. So that way we could easily cover the entire school. All students from 4th to 12th could take this course, and they all feel empowered, because AI interests everybody, all of us. And children, after taking this course, were really very thrilled and excited. So this is the action plan. All teachers complete the program. Then if you are running offline mode, you can take them to the labs. So a group of technology-friendly students selected from each of the class from 4th to 12th, they can actually assist computer teachers for making other students to complete the course. So selected students complete the program, then they help the other students, fellow friends, to kind of finish this program. And certified students support their parents. Now this can be taken to the parents also, so that everybody is, have that mindset, or they are sensitized about artificial intelligence, because the need is like that. Future is AI and future is here. So that's the reason we need to quickly gear up and understand this technology well. So that way, so online registration process. So now the process is very simple. Let me now get into that and make you all AI ready after completing this AI for All program. It's a simple process. And this is the developing individual school action plan, which a Google form I will be sending to your respective schools. Then it becomes easy for you to, put a teacher as a nodal person who is the point of contact. Okay. And name of the school, affiliation number, mail ID, all these are the details which you will have to provide. I will be sending the Google form. It will be easy then. And all things are written here, that total number of teachers in your school, total strength of students from class 4 to 12, because if you have this in front of you, you will be able to achieve the goal. You will be able to achieve, okay, I have, this many students and I need to cover them. These many teachers, I need to cover them. So it becomes easy actually for a school to accomplish the goal. So it's all that. And if you want to do it fast. I mean, I would suggest like within 7 working days or 15 working days after the teachers complete, so that this is done very fast, and sooner the better. We are the few schools which are leading in this, so you can also be one of them. So that is the beauty of it. That's all. And now I will stop sharing my presentation, and I will now be letting you know about this particular module. So I would request all of you to just click on this link I'm sharing in the public chat. here I'm just sharing, just a minute. Yes. Can you all see this link I have shared with everybody? And I will share my window also. I will share where I have my, I have opened my screen. So I'll just share, just a minute. Yes. Today my system is lagging. I don't know why. I'll have to get it checked. So teachers, you can see, can you all see when you click on that link? Now one or a few of you can unmute yourself and you can talk to me, because now we get into the process of registration. So right now who all are here can register themselves and take this forward in their schools. So if you see, I hope you all are able to see this. Ma'am, do we have to do it again if we have already received the certificates? So, ma'am, you can take this forward now in your school. You can talk to your principal, asking the principal to make you the nodal person, and you can initiate this in your school. As you have already taken this course, now you have to make your school AI ready. Yes, great, Sapna ma'am. Fine. So now here, when you click on that link, let me share that link again in the chat. See, teachers, I am sharing this link, aiforall.in. Yes, when you click, you will see this as the home page. I'm sharing on the Zoom window, so you can see. Now, the process is very, very simple. If you see, you have to just write your name, the name which will appear on the certificate. So write your complete name, write your full name over here under name, then write your mobile number. I think we have participants from Muscat also, from one of the schools in Muscat. So you can just change your the country code. For India, it is 91. You can just put your country code over here. So it is, if you see, it is editable. So you can just put the country code for Muscat. Clara, ma'am, you can unmute yourself and you can talk to me, ma'am. And teachers, you can just put your mobile number here, then your state. If you see state, just click on this drop down arrow. You can select your state. Language. So if I say, if you see here, all the states are, so whichever state you come from, you select that. Language you select English, and 11 languages are there. So whichever you feel comfortable with, you can select that. I think we teachers usually go with English. So your choice. So English, and date of birth. Now coming to date of birth. So for that, first click on this arrow here. Click on this arrow and then scroll to your year of birth. So say, for example, I would go to say 1980, say for example. So first select the year 1980, and then maybe birth month, select the birth month, say March, and the day, say day is say 1st. So if you see here, 1st March 1980 comes. So you can put your date of birth like this, then your gender, okay, and then let the referral code be as it is. Do not change. NHES 3, let it be as it is. This is the code provided by them. And just click on this checkbox, I am not a robot. You have to click on this checkbox, I am not a robot. When you click on this and click on this send verification code, you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. The mobile number which you have given here in this form, in that you will receive an OTP. Some 6-digit OTP will come. So just put that OTP in the next window. It says that OTP and then it says submit. You submit and you will land in your self-learning module window. So once you put your OTP and you say submit, and you will be landing in your self-learning module page. So this is my self-learning module page. I've I've opened it for you to understand. So what I did, teachers who are already done this particular program, now if at all wants to take this program all over again, wants to read again everything, or maybe right now you will be in a hurry to complete it, so you'll complete and later you want to read. So process of logging is very easy. You will see the logging. In that case, you will have to press the, I'll just click on the C. In that case, you will have to press the login button. Next time when you log in, because you've already registered yourself, so next time you say login. So when you press login, it is saying put your mobile number. So you just have to put your mobile number, say I'm not a robot, then again you will receive the OTP. So it's that simple. You don't have to remember any password. You don't have to remember anything. You just, so easy. Anytime you want to access the self-learning module, just put your mobile number and I'm not a robot, check mark this checkbox and then send verification code. That's all. And you will come to your self-learning module. Now you have to just take this course easily. Now you keep reading. Now, if you see on the left panel, accessibility, welcome to AI for all, AI aware challenge, everything is there. So because I completed this course, for me, it is showing 100%. For you right now, you are just starting, it will be in the initial stage. So first is accessibility. So if you see accessibility option, you just give you need not, do anything here. This is about people who are, visually impaired. It is for them. They have the Braille version and audio version and all those things. So we can just, skip this. So just go down. Here, back to course. Just click on this back to course button. You have to just click on this back to course button. And once you click on back to course, welcome to AI for all. So you can just go about reading it. So, but do not miss anything. Read it. So now I will be quiet. Only teachers who are finding difficulty can speak to me or put your message in the chat box. I will keep assisting. Others, just keep going, reading. And the moment you will find, something like this, click on the plus to expand. So keep doing that, because this is all marking your completion of the course. If you skip, so your certificate will not get generated. So wherever questions are there, wherever it is asking you, say, for example, here, let's come down here. It says, click on these, click on the images to know more. So click on this image. So it tells you about AI aware program. Click on this. It tells you about AI appreciate. So go down. Then click on expand. Keep reading and keep doing whatever has been asked for. Then there are some quizzes also like this. Have you used AI before? So we all are using AI nowadays. So you say yes and say submit. So it says correct answer. Then you want to go further, scroll down and keep taking the self-learning module. It's that simple, that easy. That is why children are very, very, interested in completing this. They will be more fast in completing than us. So easily it can be taken and children can get that mindset, that understanding of artificial intelligence, which is required. So CBSE has introduced artificial intelligence from 6. Now talks are that it has to be introduced from class 4th. So can you imagine? So much of work is going on in this field. So that's how it is. Yeah. So all of you can go ahead. Please send the link again. Just a minute. I'm sending the link. Yes, I have sent the link, Meena ma'am. Any other query, you can unmute and talk to me. Anybody finding difficulty? So can send me a chat message or can also unmute and talk to me. I would suggest take this course from a laptop. That would be great because then you will be able to see the entire window. Taking from the smartphone, sometimes you'll not get the you'll not be able to complete the entire course if you are not very attentive. Smita ma'am, you're not getting the OTP. Just try one more time, ma'am. Sometimes because right now so many people are taking together, server might have gone down. So just keep trying. You would surely get. I will share the WhatsApp group. Srisan sir, you are there? Oh, great, Bhavna ma'am. Yeah, course is loading. Yes. Let it load, Usha ma'am. Yeah, it's just check once, Lavina ma'am. Just from the beginning, you see if you've missed something. Because see, when we go ahead, I'll show you. Some places it also has the arrows. I'll just show you. Just a minute. So if I say I want to start with, click on this button to start AI aware. When I start this AI aware, now if I go down, see there are some places like this one. When you click on it, it gives you some information. So you need to click everything because everything is getting registered that you are completing the course. That only will mark your completion. So just see if you've not missed on anything, clicking somewhere where it was required. Likewise, machines mimic dash intelligence, human intelligence. So once you read the content, you'll be able to answer. Then you say submit. Understand why artificial intelligence, understand what is artificial intelligence and how it is different from human intelligence. The same thing which I told you, so it's all here. So now some places, if you see, there's an arrow on the right hand side. That's why I was telling to smartphone users that you take it from your laptop, it will be easy because you might miss on these buttons. So there is one, right arrow if you see. So if you click on this right arrow, then you have to keep reading it. So if you miss on this, it will say that 90% course completion. Just check this, Lavina ma'am. Yeah, just a minute, ma'am, just a minute. You can, I think this is the right time. You just finish it in half an hour, Archana ma'am. Just finish it in half an hour to 45 minutes. It will not take much time. Yes, you can complete it after this workshop also. I'll just see, I think I'll just try to unmute. Srisan sir? Yeah, I think. And teachers, I will also share the feedback form. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
How can I help you, ma'am?
Yeah, I can hear you, ma'am.
How can I help you, ma'am? What
yes,
should I do?
Ma'am, some of the teachers want, to unmute themselves. So
can you please ask them to put the raise hand emoji? Otherwise, it will be a huge disturbance for others.
Absolutely. Because we have a lot of participants here.
That's the problem.
Teachers who wants to talk to me, you can unmute. I mean, you can just raise your hand. Yeah, Hemant, I think sir is there.
Okay, I will do that.
Yes.
Yeah, hi, ma'am. Hemant sir here from DPS South.
Oh, yes, sir. Tell me.
So, ma'am, actually, I'm traveling. I'm on the way to. I'm using a mobile.
Okay.
So I can register this one, the same link. I have downloaded everything.
Right.
Okay. Once I reach back, can I go through completely reading session, everything? Then I can do the registration, ma'am.
Absolutely. You can do that. Yes.
I'm coming back from DPS Mysore.
Oh.
I had a class. This thing is there. Class was there. I finished. I'm coming back. It will take another 2 hours. So can I do it there later, ma'am?
Yes, you can do, sir. Just retain that link. That link
yes,
which I have shared.
I have copied that link and I have retained it and saved it very safely.
Yes.
And I may now leave. Is it okay if I leave, ma'am?
Yes, I'll just share the feedback form. Yes, you can just, also keep that link, and you can, so that we can, improve this more if from your, whatever your feedback is. Yeah, just a minute.
I'll be asking everybody one small request is if this whole thing is recorded, if you give it to us, it will be very helpful for everybody. All the teachers, if it's recorded.
Yeah, sir, there is live YouTube going on right now. I will share that link also. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, so this one is, I think because you'll get it here in this YouTube. I'm sharing it. Just a minute, sir. Here.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yes, I've shared. And just a minute, sir. This thing feedback form is also there. I'll share that also.
Sure.
This is feedback attendance form. Yeah. Oh, great. You got the OTP. Now go ahead, ma'am. Take the course. Take the course and see whether you are able to download your certificate or not. I'm here till 7:30. So we have a lot of time. And that's why I made my presentation very brief. Just told you that what all our students have done in DPS Bangalore East. And your students can also go. See, let me tell you, teachers and principal ma'ams, CBSE is coming in a big way. They are doing a lot of things right now. Even, the ATLs, the Atal Tinkering Labs, they are getting integrated with AI and subject pedagogies. So we are moving away from the usual projects which, students were doing till now, and actually coming with some very, very, what do you say? You can say interactive projects using artificial intelligence. So a lot of work is going on, and we need, to bring all this to our schools for our children. I think that will be great for all the children.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
This is Suman from Mount Carmel Central School, Mangalore.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. I just wanted to tell you that I think there are a few videos about that first session. Am I right?
Yeah.
Is there any option that we can listen only to the video? Because when there is a constant conversation from you and the video, we are not able to gather the information. So is it fine? We can take it later, or if we take
absolutely, sir. That's what you can take it anytime. You have registered yourself right now?
Yes, I'm already into the session because when I was playing it, Mr. Mehran also was talking to, you were talking to the Hemant sir also.
So it was disturbing, right?
That video was pretty much. And can we go back to the video once again? Is there an option to go back?
Yeah. You can scroll up. You go up. You can easily take that. You can again restart that video.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah. And next time, sir, when you register, you have already registered. So next time, if you want to take this course, just you have to remember this particular AI for all link.
Okay.
And I'll just share again. So it's here. And you just have to say login. I showed you that screen. Yeah, here, login. So you have to just go to login. And you have to write your number, mobile number, and you will get the OTP. So you can take any number of times you wish in future. Because now you are registered with this particular platform. Okay, Amrita ma'am, thank you so much. So did anybody completed the program, got the AI aware certificate, could download their certificate? So I'll keep quiet now. I think I'll keep quiet. So Vani ma'am, you take the course also. Oh wow, Sarita ma'am, congratulations. Sarita ma'am received her first certificate and badge. Ma'am, go ahead and complete the AI Appreciate also. Why, Vani ma'am, what happened? Why you're not able to register? Great, Tejaswini ma'am also completed her course. She got her certificate. Dipali ma'am, maybe some internet issue. You just try, keep this particular link with you and try after some time. I'm also sharing WhatsApp link. You can join the WhatsApp group till you complete this course. Just a minute, ma'am. I'm just sharing. So Julie ma'am, you can take the course right away. In half an hour, you can take the course. Oh, great. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for sharing the WhatsApp group link. Yeah, I'll share the feedback form. So teachers complete the course and then leave. I mean, do this right away. Finish it off. Okay, thank you, Kavita ma'am. Great. So you got both the certificates. AI Appreciate also, ma'am. Ma'am, Lavina ma'am, you raise your hand. So ma'am will be giving you access to the microphone. Satya sir or ma'am, you just need to sit and read through the content. On the basis of that content, only the questions are framed.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, tell me.
Yeah, I'm getting a message saying that you'll have to complete your previous lesson.
Exactly, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. I too get the same message. Though I get congratulations at the bottom, I click on the blue thing which comes as congratulations. And then when I click on it, it shows you have to complete your previous lesson.
Yeah, because even I'm getting the same thing.
And it shows 90% completed.
Okay, okay. I hope you have not missed on anything.
No, no.
Anywhere.
I think I've taken this particular session at least 10 times.
Okay.
And I visited my computer department. They too sat with me. They too tried it out. Every back front arrow, every picture that is there, we clicked on everything to see if I've missed anything, but it says nowhere I've missed. I've completed. I've given that last test again a number of times, but I'm not able to go further.
Even I'm getting the same message, ma'am.
No worries. Do one thing, ma'am. Join the WhatsApp group. Okay. And you can there. I'm also there in that WhatsApp group. You can just put a message there, ma'am. Then I will, tell people to rectify this problem.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Because I am myself a teacher from DPS Bangalore East. I'm an AI teacher there. So only that I'm taking it further to make everybody AI ready.
Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, so many. I'm getting so many teachers saying same. They are also finding the difficulty. No worries, ma'am. all of you just put it in the WhatsApp. Or WhatsApp group may you put your message that this is what you are facing. This is a problem. I will take the data from there and I will send it to them.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Oh, see, some of you are receiving the certificates. Like one sir, Nikki, sir has received, sir or ma'am. Yeah, WhatsApp group. I'll just share. Great. Which AI certificate did you get, sir? AI Appreciate or Aware? Yeah. You can do that. Sanjita ma'am, you can do that. Oh, great, sir. Very nice. Oh, wow. You got both. Congratulations. Now you can take it in your school. Make your school AI ready. See, we recently became AI ready school. Now our plaque and recognition letter certificate is on the way. We have received the letter from Intel. Thank you, Sanjita ma'am. And I'll share the feedback link again. Attendance cum feedback. And I will suggest teachers take this course from your laptop. Sometimes we miss on the smartphone some of the options. Great, Shilpi ma'am. Congratulations. Yes. Yes, Preeti ma'am. Thank you, Shilpi ma'am. Thank you so much. Ma'am, I think Lavina ma'am and one more ma'am has raised their hand. Ma'am, can you unmute them? Oh, great, Richa ma'am. Congratulations.
Yes, ma'am. I did speak a few minutes ago saying that I'm stuck.
Oh, that issue only. Okay,
Yes,
ma'am,
yes.
no worries. You join the WhatsApp. You please write over there. I will take that number of yours and I will send it to them.
Sure. Thank you.
Oh, okay, Sunanda Lokesh, sir or ma'am, congratulations. Oh, great. Kishan sir also got his certificate. Pavitra ma'am also got her certificate. I don't know, some of the participants are facing difficulty. I will just get it, resolved. Uma ma'am also, great. I'm not getting the OTP. Sangeeta ma'am, you just try after some time. Maybe it is the network problem. Dhanya ma'am also received both her certificates. Great. Now just take it forward in your school. Tomorrow, I will be sharing the individual school action plan Google form. You please show it to your principal, or if principal ma'ams are here, yeah, they can take it and get it filled. So that way we can take this. I mean, you can just take it in your school, and once it is done, only that the certificates have to be collected from the students, teachers, and administrative staff. That's all. And the letter has to go to the Intel. Okay, Dipali ma'am, you also please put this message in the WhatsApp group only. I will look into that.
Excuse me.
Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm not getting the verification code, send verification code.
The OTP you are not getting?
Yeah, yes.
And you are doing this course for the first time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, ma'am, just join the WhatsApp group and you just put your query over there, put your, problem over there.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. I will forward it to the technical team.
Ma'am, link please, ma'am.
Oh, yeah. You want the WhatsApp link, right, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Yes.
I have received the OTP. When I put the OTP, it is showing that not registered, but I have already registered, ma'am.
Okay, this is something very strange. Ma'am, I hope that time has not expired. It gives you, I think, some 60 seconds.
No, I don't think so. I have done many times.
Mm-hmm.
It is showing that it is not registered, it is showing.
Okay, ma'am, do one thing. Just put it in your WhatsApp group, ma'am. I will take all these numbers. I will forward to them. Just put your, put your problem, ma'am, and your number like that.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
yeah.
How do we fetch our certificates, ma'am? I couldn't get that part.
So, ma'am, once you will complete the course, in the bottom only it will say that, I'll just show you just a minute. See, like this, once you complete everything.
Ma'am, can you maximize it? I was not able to see.
Yeah, it's maximized only, ma'am.
No, your screen. Okay.
Yeah. See, so if you scroll down, because I've already taken this course, so if I scroll down, see, it tells me, good job, you have finished with AI aware. So now, I can, if I see here, congratulations, you are AI aware. So when I click on this, on the left panel, so it says click on the card. So I click on the card, something is mentioned here.
We're supposed to, this and all is over, but I didn't get that congratulations, Katingi.
You are not getting that on the left panel?
Yeah, left panel also. Left panel, I got everything. I went through also. I did all aware. Everything is done. But at one point it was stopped.
But why it will stop? Just, ma'am, little, if you just can just check once if you've not missed on anything. Usually we get, ma'am, see, and then the download button comes. Just see, ma'am, you try, just skim
in
through.
Laptop, is it? I should have tried it on laptop.
Absolutely, ma'am. Do it on the laptop.
So can I try it later? Or,
yeah. You can try it later.
So how do I log in? Sorry, I forgot that part.
It's very simple, ma'am. This link I'm sharing again.
Yes, sure, ma'am. Sure. I'll just take a screenshot of that link.
Yes, this is the link.
Ma'am, this is Malvinder.
Ha, ma'am, tell me.
Ma'am, I'm trying to work it out. Ma'am, I have come to a page where it says AI aware, and then once I click it, it shows me 3 questions. Describe what is AI and
it's not scrolling down.
What it can do. So, how to proceed further? I'm just at loss.
That it is not moving. The things are not going forward.
Ma'am, just see, maybe your mouse might not be working. Just check, ma'am.
It is working, ma'am. Mouse is working.
Scrolling. No. I'm telling to the other ma'am. Someone is asking.
Oh, okay.
Malvinder ma'am, for your issue, what is happening in your case?
When I go to that, AI aware, it shows me 3 questionnaires. Describe what AI and appreciate what it can do. Become aware and then debunk. Then after that, if I click that, describe what AI can do, it goes for the AI for all batch. That's it. I'm so sorry.
Ma'am, you are taking this through the laptop?
Sure. Yes, laptop.
Laptop only. But could you see your batch and your certificate of AI Aware? Are you able to see that?
I have not started as yet.
Okay. Because
I was not able to start only. So I've just, from the beginning, I'm not able to
do one thing,
anything.
ma'am. No worries. Do one thing. You have registered yourself, right? You have registered yourself?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now you close everything. Close the browser. Okay. And again, open your Chrome browser. And this link, which I have just now shared, I'll share again. Here.
No, I have that link. I have
NHES.
copied that link.
Yes. And now you click on the login button.
No, I did that actually. In fact, I tried doing it. I logged in again, but I'm still,
not able to start the AI Aware.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, you just write that issue in the WhatsApp. I don't know why it is happening today. I took this session last time. Everything was very smooth. I don't know why it maybe today server is down or what is the problem. Even I'm not aware of, and I'm unfortunately not having any person from their end. Usually there is one person sitting with me. So today they have some event. So they all are busy there and I'm alone here. So you can just put it in the WhatsApp and I will get it rectified, ma'am. Okay,
I'm trying it once again.
Yeah, just try, ma'am. Just try. Oh, great. So teachers who have received their certificates, AI Aware and AI Appreciate, can just fill up the feedback form. And if you want, you can be a part of the WhatsApp group so that, if any issue, you can put your message there and I will look into that. Yeah, Suji ma'am, what problem you are facing? You can do it with Chrome. Yeah, I think Chrome would be okay. Yes, Bharti ma'am, try doing it with Chrome only. Okay, great. You start your course. It will work, ma'am. Maybe too many participants are there. The server is going down.
Ma'am?
Yeah?
Ma'am, I'm not able to go to the next lesson. I've got stuck on the second lesson itself. It says you have to complete, but I have completed everything, ma'am, there.
Okay. Ma'am, just refresh your screen. Refresh F5.
Okay, ma'am. I'll just try, ma'am, again.
See, I don't know. Maybe, ma'am, the server, maybe the traffic is high right now. That could be one reason. You can later also do this course. You can do it later also, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. I'll try, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. WhatsApp group. Yes, I will share the link. Just a minute. Great, Aruna ma'am, you completed the course. In so much of, talking from my end, you could concentrate. That's great. Yeah, I have feedback form. I will just share. Just a minute, ma'am. Great, Archana ma'am. All teachers, congratulations, who all could do successfully. Now take this in your schools, get your schools AI ready. Yeah, ma'am, somebody, teachers are raising their hands. If you can just unmute them. Yeah, please download, Vijaya ma'am, please download your certificates. You can download any number of times. See here, download. If I press, I will download my certificate. Shubha ma'am, you just refresh your screen, maybe internet issue, or you do it later.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
My name is Shweta, ma'am. I was just hearing all the issues, so I just wanted to tell that they need to move from 2 tabs are there, which they have to click and complete. Then only it will move to the next step.
Okay. So just see the 2 tabs after AI aware, ma'am.
In the AI aware also, there are 2 tabs next to each other that they have to complete. And all the slides also they need to see and complete. After that only it will move to the next step.
See, Shweta ma'am is helping everybody. So just the 2 tabs are there. After you complete AI aware, please click on each button. Teachers, click on each button. Yeah, I might have missed saying that. And all the slides, whatever is there, please cover everything. See, ma'am has been able to do it successfully.
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am.
Yes, Suji, ma'am. Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I've been trying this since 4 days. I've been clicking on every tab, but it's not going beyond AI challenge. That AI challenge I've taken at least 3 or 4 times, ma'am. So could you please help? I even written a mail to AI support.
Okay.
But there's no reply from their part.
No reply. Okay, ma'am, do me a favor. You join the WhatsApp and you write your name so that I will, remember your name and your issue. And you just write the issue. This is what is the problem you are facing, and you have written a mail to them. I will right away forward. Once the session gets over, I will forward it to them. Get it rectified, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So teachers who all have completed their course, AI Aware and AI Certificate, AI Aware and AI Appreciate, can fill the feedback form and you are free to, leave. So I'll just share the feedback form again.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening, ma'am. Tell me, ma'am.
Madam, just I have stuck with welcome to AI for all. Again, it is not, I refreshed the screen also.
Okay.
What shall I do, madam?
Ma'am, you just try after some time. You just, close your browser and log in again, I would suggest. Because see, so many teachers are able to do. There could be some problem. Maybe the internet could be down. We sometimes
So shall I
don't know.
try after 30 minutes?
Absolutely, you do that, ma'am.
Sure, madam. Thank you.
Yeah, and if any difficulty, you can just write it in the WhatsApp. I will be sending directly to the team.
Okay, I didn't get WhatsApp link.
I'll just share again. Just a minute.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah, ma'am, tell me.
Ma'am, it's not just moving ahead, ma'am. I'm getting stuck at welcome to AI for all. It's just not moving.
Yes, I think the previous ma'am also had the same issue. Ma'am, you just try after some time. You just keep this link with you. I'm sharing the link again.
Okay,
right?
I have the link. I've registered, ma'am.
Oh, now you will just log in and enter your phone number. You will receive an OTP. Do it after some time,
all that I did, ma'am, but it is not moving ahead beyond that welcome to AI for all, that one particular page. It's not going beyond that.
Have you gone to back to course like that? I'll just show you just a minute. See here, accessibility. So you are here, you are saying. Are you here? Can you see my window on the Zoom window?
Ma'am, the WhatsApp group is full, ma'am.
Oh, it is not taking now?
No, it is not taking. We are not able to join the group.
Okay, okay. Fine. Ma'am, who is helping me from CEIR, do you have another group, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I will be sharing another group link.
Yes, ma'am. Please share, because I think.
No, ma'am. The first one, AI for all group. Okay, I will do that.
Yeah.
Have a doubt, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. When will be the next session, ma'am? Because I can't be able to join in this session.
Okay. So, ma'am, if you want, I can share the YouTube link.
Okay.
You can listen to the recorded session, or next session would be most probably on 25th of March.
25th of March.
Yes, the 4th Friday of the month.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
And I have registered for 2 times, but we from for my school, but we didn't receive the link. So
okay.
Can't able to join.
All right. So, ma'am, right now, ma'am is sharing one WhatsApp group.
Okay,
you just
ma'am.
join that and you message your query there.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. The AI for all group or?
Yeah, she is just, yes. See, ma'am, she is sharing.
Okay, ma'am.
Just now it has come. You can join and you can write your name, your school name, and that's all. The email ID.
School mail ID, right?
Yes, school mail ID.
Or a principal mail ID?
Yeah, principal mail ID you can write. Absolutely.
Okay, ma'am.
We will send the link to you in the next session.
Okay, please.
Yes, ma'am, if you are done with it, you are free to leave. Just fill up the feedback form. It is not getting generated. I hope the last 2 tabs you have clicked, sir. Manjusha, ma'am, the last 2 tabs. Okay, I got the badge for AI Appreciate, but certificate is not getting generated. Ma'am, wait for some time. Maybe because of high traffic, because this course is being run simultaneously from different places. That could be the reason. After 1 hour or so, you just check that.
Ma'am, in the beginning I had a problem. Now I could get the badge. I could complete it, ma'am.
Great, ma'am. Great. See, Kavita ma'am could do. So that's nothing. You teachers just don't put your queries in the WhatsApp. You wait for an hour or so. Surely you will be getting it. See, everybody is able to do. We had around 508 participants today. Many of them got their badges and certificates. So just try after half an hour once the session gets over. Then if you have problem, you write it in the WhatsApp. And don't miss to click any tab. Click on each and every tab. Great, Soumya ma'am. Oh, great, Megha ma'am. See, even Megha ma'am was stuck sideways. She was not clicking. Then she clicked those arrows and she's able to get her certificate. So I think teachers, you are in a hurry. And because I'm also constantly talking, you're not able to concentrate. So once the session gets over, you please open, and it would not take much time, and open it on your laptop. Yes, it is possible to do the course tomorrow also. Just retain this link with you. Yes, Soumya ma'am, you can fill up the feedback form and you can leave. I'll share the feedback form again. Any link if you want, you just write in the chat box. I will share. Yes, Sudha ma'am.
Marin ma'am.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Ma'am, please ask our teachers to join that Facebook link, ma'am, because WhatsApp, there are a lot of issues.
Facebook link. Sir, right?
Because
Facebook link.
WhatsApp, we cannot accommodate more than 290 or something, 245 or something.
Okay, sir. So
And
just a
there'll
minute.
be a lot of pop-up message. This is actually CAR news desk. Okay.
Yes,
That
yes, yes.
news desk, link. I will, ma'am. We will send it from here.
Okay, sir. Then you send, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please send, sir.
It's already there in the beginning. Once again, I can cut and paste it. I can. Somebody can. So any such queries, attendance come feedback is there now.
Yes.
Can we send that Facebook link once again for the teachers, because it will be easier, ma'am, now.
Yeah, it has come, sir. From your end, it has come. Facebook group link.
Please take that. Okay, it is there now. Yeah.
Yes.
Please join that, so that, all informations we can. Ma'am, can I share my screen for our teachers?
Please. Yes, sir. Just a minute. I'll stop sharing.
Yeah.
Yes, I have
I will make some 2 announcements to our participants here. Yeah. Yeah. This is about this premium membership. Already Malla ma'am announced it. So, premium membership is there, and this is actually for exclusively for the members only. We are planning 300 hours of training in a year time with, subject experts and all. So we will send that details to the group. But that in the chat box also we can share some informations, I believe. And another one thing is that every day morning, there is a program called Mindfulness Program. So we have, covered more than 150 days so far. This is actually, you can use the same link. The same link what you have can be used for this, I believe. Okay, so every day morning, 7:30 to 7:45, you can attend it. There is no registration fees, nothing for that. It will be a good thing for you. And next Saturday, we are having a program again connected with education, challenges in Indian education. On former IPS person, Mr. Rishiraj Singh, IPS, is actually speaking. It's just a 40 minutes program. You can attend that also. That link also, Zoom link, can be shared to this chat box. Those who want can attend it. Challenges in Indian education. It's very important now. Schools are reopened. Please do attend that. And after that program, there will be another 15 minutes wellness program. Okay, so 6 to 6:15 wellness program. This program is from 5 to 6. Then 6 to 6:15, there will be a program for wellness. So this programs teachers, there is no registration or nothing. Please do attend it. It will be very useful for you. This is mainly for, the important information you have to know about the school opening. Second thing is like, this is your personal benefits. You can attend this program. And every day, as you can attend this mindfulness program. These all programs, we don't have any registration or anything. Those who would like to do, I'm sorry, to do programs, for mindfulness, wellness, academic related programs, you can attend it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Ma'am, please. Ma'am, you have to. Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. Today my system is also lagging. I was so
It is not
worried.
ready now.
See now how my video was coming. I thought, what has gone wrong with my laptop?
Yeah,
The
I'm
moment
actually traveling, ma'am. That is the reason I'm not able to on my video. Teachers, you can at least 1 or 2 teachers can on their video. That will be easy for ma'am to interact. I'm sorry, I'm not able to do it because I am on traveling. This thing, I'm traveling from the other end.
Okay, sir, no problem. I think most of the teachers have completed their program, and now they need to just take it in their schools.
Yeah. That membership link also we can share to this, I believe, that premium membership link. To those who want to join the premium membership campaign can
Yes.
attend that also.
Great, Jyoti ma'am. Congratulations. That's why I'm telling teachers who all are facing difficulty, maybe it is because of the internet. So many, people joining at the same time in the same server. So just try after some time. I'm sure you're going to get it. Yeah, see, Sylvia ma'am also has received. Shweta ma'am also got. Just take it to your school now and make your school AI ready. Let me know once you are done, so the letter can be sent to Intel. Great, Meenakshi ma'am, Sunanda ma'am, great.
Ma'am, I would like to, I have a query. Now, I have finished accessibility 100%. Welcome to AI for all 100%. AI aware 100%. But AI aware a challenge, there it shows 90%. Now, should I go?
There are two tabs there. In the bottom, 2 tabs. Have you pressed both and seen what is there in that?
Yes. I've done all that. Now, to take up the test once again, do I have to do the accessibility, welcome for AI and all those once again?
It should not be like that, ma'am. But sometimes what happens, if you have missed somewhere, that also shows that it is incomplete.
Because I've got my badges. I've got my badges and certificates. 2 badges, 2 certificates.
Okay.
But on the 4th one, it shows only 90% and not letting me go further. So if I have to do the 4th one once again, do I have to attempt the first 3?
Can any participant help, ma'am? If anybody got stuck like this?
I think there are many who are stuck like this.
Okay. Completed both the courses and received badges as well as certificate. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Shelly ma'am. Any teacher who faced the same problem like Lavina ma'am and has... Yeah, you can quit, ma'am. You can, Priya ma'am. Once you fill up the feedback form, ma'am, then do one thing. Are you taking this program from your laptop?
Yes.
Okay. Then what could be the reason? Maybe
My
you are missing on
very
some
good.
tab.
I have no issues with my net and no other tabs were open. Only this AI for all is left open, and I was attempting that yesterday in the night also. I tried, but it wasn't happening.
So, ma'am, then you write in that WhatsApp group.
I've posted in the WhatsApp group.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I will also join that WhatsApp group. I think the new one has been created, though I am there in all the 4 groups.
Okay. Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Swati ma'am, you want to talk? Ma'am, can you unmute Swati ma'am? I think I'm seeing some raised hands. Amrita ma'am, Shri Lakshmi ma'am. Yes, Shelly ma'am, if any question is left, your course will not be completed and you will not be able to generate your certificate. That is why take with peace, you know.
Swati ma'am, you can do it now. Yeah.
This is Swati ma'am. Actually, I'm not able to get the OTP. Maybe I'm facing a lot of network issue.
That is the reason, ma'am.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm trying from that time, ma'am. I'm facing.
Don't worry, ma'am.
The same, Mary ma'am, can I speak?
Please go
Ma'am,
ahead.
it is actually on YouTube live also.
Yeah, I shared that link, sir.
Yeah. So you can also do it tomorrow also, no, ma'am? We can give some facility for our teachers, na?
Yes. They can do tomorrow
don't
also.
worry, ma'am. Don't worry. We will.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Swati ma'am.
Good evening, Marian ma'am. Shivani this side. Ma'am, I have just done download my certificate and all, and done with the feedback form. Do I have to do any other thing else right
That's
now?
all, ma'am. Now you take this program in your school, make your school AI ready.
Definitely, ma'am. Thank you for your support, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have announced that the school get a recognition certificate from Intel and all that. We have already announced it, no, ma'am?
Yes. It has come in the mail also, sir.
Okay. Great, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sri Lakshmi Priya, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Please
Sir,
speak, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Ma'am, I have texted my query in the WhatsApp link, ma'am.
Okay.
Can I give the? Can I receive the link for the next session in the WhatsApp or in the mail, ma'am?
Sir, actually, ma'am school didn't receive the letter and the Zoom link.
Kikani Global Academy, sir.
That Shalini ma'am school.
Yeah, sir.
What happened?
I can't participate, sir. I have received the link.
No problem. I will share this to Shalini ma'am next program details. Okay.
Okay, sir.
She
Please.
called me because today she said the teachers left the school little late.
Okay, sir.
That must be the reason, because all information has passed, ma'am. Maybe today, no issue, ma'am. We will invite you for next program.
Please, sir. Please do it, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Sir, you'll receive the link through the mail or through this WhatsApp?
Ma'am, through Shalini, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Subha, ma'am. Subha Venkatesh, ma'am. Ma'am, please unmute from your side, ma'am. We have cleared it from.
Yes, sir. I'm trying to do this part where, there is a drag and drop in AI appreciate part. And I've been trying it for the past 20 minutes. And there is one musician part, right? That page where you drag and drop that particular into the particular picture into it. The musicians to automate the selection process for electronic dance music to issue tickets online. So that is not moving further only, that page. It says complete the content before moving on. I finished every content reading also. I don't know what is missed out.
Ma'am, you just refresh your page, I think.
I tried doing that also, ma'am.
Okay. So do one thing, ma'am.
It goes back to AI appreciate and I have to redo the entire thing again, ma'am.
Oh. Because ma'am, maybe if you are missing on something, that could be one reason.
No, ma'am.
Otherwise, you just try, ma'am. Give some time. You try once. If you have any issue, then you write in the WhatsApp group. I will forward that query of yours to the concerned department.
Okay. Because the drag and drop, what is happening is by the time I drag, it is not fitting in that particular page.
Exactly, ma'am. Same problem.
So it doesn't allow me to drop.
Half an hour I'm trying. Amrita here from DPS South. The drag and drop I couldn't do. From last half an hour I'm trying. Actually, I was attending from phone, so I was traveling. So after I came back, I just joined through laptop and I tried. It was going very smoothly. But once I came here, like in drag and drop, I can drag it very easily, but I couldn't drop it in the right box. And at the bottom, it is showing that the same, complete the content above before moving on.
Okay. So, ma'am, what I would suggest, just try doing it one more time after we complete the course today, after the session ends. If you still have the same problem, you please put it in the WhatsApp, and I will refer this to the technical team, backend team.
Ma'am?
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, I've completed the course and received the badge and certificate, but another module has started there. Third.
No. That is small, something. You just finish that, ma'am. It will, I think 2 or 3 slides are only there.
It says 13, ma'am, again.
13?
Yes, ma'am.
Just go ahead, take that, ma'am. What is there?
It is AI Appreciate, ma'am.
AI Appreciate, so you have to also complete, ma'am, with AI Aware.
But I received the badge, ma'am, and certificate both.
Yeah, I think last May there are few more slides. You just take that and finish the course, ma'am.
Okay, fine, ma'am. Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, I know. In the last, some additional slides come. I think you have to take that as well to complete your course 100%. Yeah.
Okay, fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I'm Brunda from DPS South.
Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
I've completed my AI Aware program and I got my certificate and badge.
Okay.
So now I'm logging out of this one. And then how you want me to log in again to complete all the courses?
Just the same way, ma'am. You have registered your phone number. So
Yes, ma'am.
you will be again clicking on the same link which I provided to get into this website.
Okay.
There you will be just clicking on the login now, not you will be putting all details. Just click on
We
login.
do for any other website, right?
Yeah, the same. You want me to share the link again?
No. I have it. I've saved it.
Yeah. Same link, ma'am. That's all. And then you go about logging in, write your mobile number, you'll receive an OTP, enter your OTP, and you will start from there only where you have stopped right now.
Yes.
So,
that's very clear. It's been, I have completed 3 courses and then it has been given all the certificates and the badges. It's very neat and tidy. It's no this one at all, no confusion at all.
Absolutely, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Have you done? Appreciate. Okay. How could I do this drag and drop? That one I just stuck in that.
Same here with me also, ma'am.
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm not able to download my badge and the certificate. When I'm downloading, if I click on download, it comes my page will goes off. I have to log in again.
Ma'am, that could be internet issue. You just wait for some time. Let the session end. Then you try after some time. Because simultaneously these programs are being run. So that could be one reason. So, but if at all you still don't get it, you put a message in the WhatsApp group and I will forward it to the concerned department.
It displays the message where to download. The folder it will ask. When I click on to download, it won't. That is the problem, internet issue.
Ma'am, because when you are clicking and it is asking where to download, after that what is happening? It is closing by itself. It is closing by itself, right? Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, who was having this difficulty? This one you are saying, this drag and drop.
Yes, ma'am.
So, if you just left click and drag, see it is taking emotional connect. Just you have to bring it here and leave the left mouse button. See, I'm just randomly taking like this. Just try, ma'am, how I did right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Just left click, bring here and release your left mouse button.
Which image should we bring down, ma'am?
See, if I replay moral values, so machine possesses, machine do not possess. So moral values, machine do not possess. So this is the
Not
right
that
one.
one, ma'am. The musician ones. The musicians to automate the selection process. That's where it's getting stuck.
Where it is more down?
Yes, ma'am. This is in AI appreciate one.
Okay.
How can AI be used?
This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So musicians to automate the selection process for electronic dance music to issue online tickets. So say, for example, it's gone here. Say it is coming here. Government offices, say for example, like this. See, just I left clicked and I dragged and I released the left mouse button.
Yeah.
Hannah, it is working. Is it working for you?
Yeah, but then it doesn't allow. Yeah, it is working. But then it doesn't allow me to proceed further. It says complete the content above before moving on.
Ma'am, you must have missed something. See, there are, buttons here and there. That's why you take aram se. See, say for example, private office. Then you click on government office. You need to read this. If you're not clicking on any of the tab, it tells that your course is incomplete.
Okay, ma'am.
So, you take, sit peacefully after your dinner.
I did it. That time, yeah, it was not. See, even now, okay, it shows. Okay, HR managers, right? The second one. Okay, fine.
है ना आप आराम से करो मैम टेक योर टाइम एंड डू
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
हाँ मैम
ma'am this is am I audible ma'am
yeah
am I audible ma'am
yes ma'am you are audible
hello
yeah tell me ma'am yeah audible am I audible Leena ma'am? Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Leena ma'am, I think you can't hear me.
Okay, hi, good evening, ma'am. I'm Archana Sharma from DPS South. Am I audible, ma'am? Can I
audible, ma'am?
Yeah,
yes.
Ma'am, I'm done with my badge and as well as my certificate for both and even the feedback form. Yeah. And now, ma'am, can I leave? And ma'am, do I have to join any WhatsApp group? Is it required?
Not required. If you are done, it's okay, ma'am. If you want, you can join because, the CEIR platform, a lot of events keeps happening. So that's very beneficial for teachers. So you can always, have keep a tap on that. If at all you want to join any one of them in future, you can always join. Then you'll not miss on that. This CEIR this platform has, many schools, around 18,000, I think, Srisan sir, registered. So they have a big platform. So
and ma'am, if at all when in the future further courses, if I want to take, I can go ahead and the same website I can do it, ma'am. Right?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, then I can take a leave and thanks for your support, ma'am. It was wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Am I audible?
Bye-bye. Have a good evening, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Same to you. Good evening. Bye. Yeah. Tell me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. This is Leena Mary from Mount Carmel.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, here after taking that AI Appreciate badge and certificate, there is something called self-learning plan.
Yes.
What is that further, ma'am? Is there anything like we have to complete it to get any certificate or?
Yes, that will
project.
Just go ahead, ma'am. See what is there in that self-learning.
Certain modules actually, I'm not able to refresh and get it, ma'am. It is just continuously loading.
Okay. So, ma'am, maybe internet issue. You try doing it later on. You have downloaded your certificates, na? Once your certificates are downloaded, your course is completed.
Okay, ma'am. Because that must be something extra information.
Absolutely.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, excuse me, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, my name is Anita. I have completed AI Aware program and downloaded the badge and certificate both.
Okay.
Now I am going through AI Appreciate. Now, should I complete that? Then I have to log out, or I can continue it on later on?
You can continue later also, ma'am.
And I have submitted feedback also.
Okay,
like all the things are there, no, here left side. We should complete all those things and we can download the.
Right, ma'am. Everything. So
And,
once, if you log out also right now from your course, you just need to log in again and give your mobile number. You will receive an OTP and the course will start where you left. So you can access the prior lessons also anytime, any number of times. Yeah, you can do that.
Okay, then shall I leave this now and
You
I
can do that.
continue with the mind?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you
Go
so
ahead.
much, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Pleasure, ma'am. So participants, teachers, you all can easily finish. Take your time and finish. Everything will happen. Do not worry. See, so many teachers have taken. We had some 508 participants here today. And now we are here, only 176 I can see. So see, everybody has taken their course. So don't be in a hurry. Click all the, quizzes, all the options. Keep reading it. Then you'll not miss on anything. If you are in a hurry to finish, then you'll surely miss some of the options. So you do that. And if you have any problem, you can put it in the WhatsApp. I will be forwarding it to the concerned department. And we can end the session now, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you all. We have made all the announcements, I believe, so that if anything is there, you can contact us. Through our the chat, what you call the chat box. Even the Facebook also, you can join or whatever. So anything is there, we'll be there to help you.